Anyway, that's a song. That's a sport about moonshine. I'll sing a song about moonshine. How about that one?
Watch out for the Gongo.
Slowy? I like him all right. He's a tough guy. Tough customer on that racetrack. Well, North Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my old pappy and he had him a still. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down. Then he filled up a jug and he passed it around. Mighty pleasing, pappy's corn squeezing. Ooh, woo, white lightning, baby. Yeah, the G-men, T-men, revenues too, searching for the place where he made his brew. And they were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, woo, white lightning, baby.
We're still cooking.
Well, that's my old pappy, why he called his brew white light instead of Mountain Dew. I took a little sip and right away I knew as my eyes bugged out and my face turned blue. Oh, mighty pleasing, pappy's corn squeezing. Ooh, woo, white lightning, baby. Yeah, the G-men, T-men, the revenues too, searching for the place where he made his brew. And they were looking, trying to look at what my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, woo, white lightning, baby. City slicker came and he said, I'm tough. I think I want to drink that powerful stuff. He took one so slow and he went right down. And I heard him a moaning as he hit the ground. Oh, mighty pleasing, happy's corn squeezing. Ooh, woo, white lightning, baby. Yeah, the G-men, T-men, revenues too, searching for the place where he made his brew. And they were looking, trying to look at what my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, woo, white lightning, baby. That's right, you ain't gonna find them. You run your car off that stuff. York County's finest. Thank you, everybody.
Great song.
That was George Jones that performed that, but it was actually written. You know who wrote that one? J.P. Richardson. Anybody know who J.P. Richardson is? Big, that's, yes, sir, this man. Kudos to you, sir.